what do you see are the key benefits then to the finance function?
Yeah, I think it's a great question. So I would think of it at the two levels, one from a sort of outside-in research perspective, and then internally from the finance function itself. So first of all, we've recently published our CFO survey of 1,300 finance professionals across 245 S&P 500 companies. And the central conclusion from the research was that speed, as I mentioned, is that ultimate differentiator for CFOs now driving value. And the CFOs really are in a better position than ever to make the greatest impact, particularly when they're occupying three key emerging roles. First is the economic guardian. CFOs leading that efficient and effective finance function. It's been there for a little while now, but still very, very important. Number two, the architect of business value, expanding the capability and collaboration across the enterprise through business partnering. And then thirdly, being that catalyst and the leader for the digital strategy. CFOs creating insights for new business models and realizing value in the digital world. And our sort of statistical modeling that looked at those dimensions and those CFOs that are fully embodying those roles, we could see that they could almost double their EBITDA CAGR from 3.8 to 6.9% over the next 3 years through the model. And then equally on the revenue side, increasing CAGR from 2.7 to 3%. So, real business value here to drive at speed. And then going back to that idea about the catalyst of the digital strategy, back in 2018 when we asked the question, CFOs shared that 34% of their finance traditional tasks they thought were going to be automated, and that would extend to 45% by 2021. And in reality, when we checked in very recently, that number was actually sitting at 60%. So really exceeding expectations, and you can really see that acceleration that's now sort of manifested.